Good afternoon. So, after much research on these Samsung self-cleaning washing machines, top loader, like this one right here, it going out of balance like crazy. Thing's only 3.5 years old. Watched a few videos on YouTube on how to diagnose and replace these suspension rods that hold this tumbler in place. So called a bunch of appliance parts places. This particular model, it's absolutely ludicrous. These suspension rods are like $550 to replace all four. I about vomited. It's sad because this washing machine is only 3.5 years old. The dryer as well, we bought a dryer, matching dryer. That took a crap last summer. Had to replace the element in that and stuff, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I'm doing this video because I didn't want to spend $550 on replacement parts, OEM replacement parts. Now, there's aftermarket things that you can buy on Amazon and stuff like that. Not sure if they're any good. Two of the parts appliance guys told me that you can buy them, but they don't last very long, whatever it may be. Either that or they're trying to upsell me, I don't know, but I'm not spending that kind of money, and I'm not going to buy the cheap ones. So what I did is I went down to my local hardware store here in my community, Joggins Hardware, by the way. There's a shout out to Joggins Hardware in Painesville, Ohio. Anyway, and this spring right here is what is losing its tension, or has lost its tension. So what I did was went down to the hardware store, figured out with a set of calipers the overall length, the spring diameter itself, and then the outside diameter of the spring itself. Then went down to the local hardware store, Joggins Hardware, and bought 4 of them. These are really simple assembled components. You have a swaged end, sorry about that, down here that is holding this retaining washer, this plastic sleeve, and then the spring itself, and then there's another cushion plastic guide here, and they just go into the washing machine, really simple. And then up here, this is the top guide, and again, that is just assembled with a washer, and then they swage over the end of the rod to keep everything from coming out. So what I did was found 4 springs that match relatively close, got a lot more spring tension to it, and I just took my hammer on the vise, and let me move this out of the way so I can show you. Hold on. And if you look closely, the end of this rod is just swaged over, and that is to keep the washer and everything from slipping off the end, obviously. So what I did is took my hammer and went to my vise, and I just hammered that tab flat so I could then slide off everything and then replace the spring, and then I hammer forged the flat back on and reassembled into the washing machine. And I have not tested it yet, actually, because I have one more to do, and that's what I'm doing right now. But I'm going to follow up with this video and let you know if it works or not. I've been a machinist for 33 years, tool and die maker, so I know my way around a little bit with metal and mechanical things. So I'm pretty confident this is going to work. I will follow up and show you guys. Talk to you later.